Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is going to be windy. Gust of wind up to 25 today. It's about 60 degrees right now. With the wind, that changes that real quick. As you guys can hear, I'm sure you can. Super windy today. We're just gonna have to deal with it. Wind reduction will help, but I doubt it. Thankfully, it's nice and warm out today, so we can just sit and chill. Today, we have the Saint of Speed gloves and a little wetness on the ground. On one of my turns, I could feel the tires manifesting through the ground, and they were pretty solid. So it is definitely a really nice vehicle for riding in the rain. So putting it through that, I did the kind of test yesterday. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. So I got a lock for this that fits and doesn't block much light. Let me get this light out and then I can show you. Got this lock. It's small, doesn't weigh much, and doesn't make this any heavier. What I have to do is carry a key, unfortunately, for this because it doesn't have a thumb print, but it works. It works to secure this. I'm in places where I need to see you at the train station.
Thank you. Please take your personal belongings and watch your step next trip. Stop number 9.
I'm wondering when they're going to finish this up.
Going up. Doors closing. Street level. Doors opening.
All right, we made it to work. See you in 8 hours. We're not a political channel, but I want to talk about something I just found out. President-elect Trump chose who will run his health care, like his Medicare, his Medicaid, and his Medicare system, right? So ultimately, we just found out there's going to be Dr. Oz, like the celebrity Dr. Oz. I am absolutely floored. And like how? Not that he's not capable. It's not about capability. I'm shocked this person will be in charge of the United States. The number of people who depend on Medicaid benefits and depend on Medicare benefits in the United States. You're talking about 140 million people have tons of family members that depend on Medicare. If you've been following me, I just lost my grandfather, so that's still pretty recent, and my grandmother depends on her Medicare benefits at her age, and Medicare being possibly stripped away or taken down. Like, of course, that mentally, what is going on here? He realized he's in the middle of the street? I'm trying to figure out what will be the next steps, because now you actually have to watch. You got to look at what's going on. Life will be different. Soon life will be very different than expected. It'll be very different. And for people who depend on those benefits, this is going to be really sad if their benefits get pulled and gets taken away. Just sad. That was part of my realization as I was leaving from work. A lot of people are going to incur costs that they're not accustomed to incurring because there was a lot of subsidies in the U.S. government. That won't be the case. Really interesting to think about, but it is what it is. My mind was so wild, I didn't even start my normal tracker. My brain was still processing. Say 82 miles? Wow. Close to my first 100 miles on it. We're back. Quick trip.
Going down. Doors closing. Lobby. Doors opening.
To put the tree in the center. All right, I see you.
Yeah, we got a long
Amtrak reminds passengers to please take all of your personal belongings. For your safety, stand behind the platform safety strip. Use caution when boarding the train. There is a gap between the train
I just happened to look out and I'm like, wait, we're here.
They're not announcing next stop.
Because normally it does it automatically. Which,
That is weird.
good to see you.
We miss you in the morning.
I miss you guys. It's always a blast.
Till next time, be safe.
You too. This way, Miss Lee. All the way down and cross. This is our normal spot. See you later. You know what we might need to do? Because this person is in our way. It was good to see Miss Lisa. I used to ride with her in the morning. Her and one other person. So it was good to see her. I haven't seen her in a while. You have plenty enough time to go. You always gotta watch it because people turn and if they don't look at all. That's all.